G'day YouTube. Got a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. That's a turbo petrol motor, and just doing a quick service on it. Just remove all the 10mm bolts that are holding this protective shield on the bottom of the car. You can get, on this car at least, I can get under it without too much jacking up, which is good. Underneath got a 17mm bolt, so I've just removed that, just letting it drip out now. And right next to it is the oil filter. I've just got to get this tray ready. Drop this oil filter here. And yep, let's just drop it straight into the sump oil. Awesome. And yeah, just going to let all that drain out, and then we'll tidy it up. It's nice that the filter's vertical, so I can pre-fill it. And don't forget to put a bit of oil around the rim here. And then we're just going to fill that up to the top. Screw it on. So yeah, always double check that the rubber seal come off the last filter, because you don't want a rubber seal on there and one on the new filter. So that'll be a carton. You'll be shouting a carton for everybody if you double up the filter and then it pisses out leaking. So don't be tempted to rattle gun the sump bolt up, because you're just causing a hassle for the next guy. You just want it snug. And double check the washer. If you work at a dealership or whatever, they'll replace the crush washer every single time. If you're doing it yourself, not so much. It's fine. You just make sure it's clean and there's no sand or shit under the washer. Just give it all tidy up when it's out, and then chuck it back in. She's good. And this should only really be hand tight. This doesn't need a wrench. They self-tighten because of the expansion and contraction of the heat anyway, so just really good snug hand tight, and that's it. It won't leak. So we're going to put 4.5 litres in. I like Penrite. Everyone's different. This is Penrite do 5 litre and 6 litre. Which sometimes I pick up the wrong one at Repco, wherever I go, but I got the right one this time. At least this is an old school oil change, really. You don't have to vac the oil out from the top, and it's not a cartridge filter, so you get most of the oil out. So it should be a true 4.5 litre top up, but the only way to really do it is to run it and then let it settle and then check the stick. So that's what I'll do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.